As the worldwide leader for vacuum clamping systems, Schmalz has the best solution for many CNC machines in the woodworking industry. Schmalz is the original equipment manufacturer of vacuum blocks, consoles and accessories of almost 2/3 of all console table CNC machines sold worldwide. Of course, Schmalz also offers clamping solutions for Morbidelli branded CNC machines made by the Italian manufacturer SCM. For years, Schmalz has been very successful offering the VCBL S series of standard vacuum blocks for both the TV and the TVN system of SCM's console table machines. They are robust and extremely accurate, and their price-performance ratio is very attractive. However, some clamping applications pose a challenge to the solutions at hand. That is why Schmalz introduced the APS4, the adapter plate for SCM's TVN system. With the APS4, you are now able to use the standard VCBL-B vacuum blocks, making your clamping system a lot more flexible and cost-efficient at the same time. With the combination of APS4 and VCBL-B, you can rotate the vacuum block in 15-degree increments, thus making it possible to align the suction plate parallel to the console or even replicate odd shapes of your workpiece. The dovetails on the side are designed to come on and off easily, but still sit tight on the console. This bar opens the ball valves. The rubber gasket makes sure the activated vacuum stays intact. These inlets on the top side of the APS4 take on these noses on the bottom of the vacuum block. They make sure the block is secure in every position. Magnets in the adapter ring of the VCBL-B are attracted by this metal sheet to give the block additional prefixation within the APS4. Be sure to keep this area clean, as the O-ring seals the vacuum block against the adapter plate. All Schmalz vacuum blocks are made of highly robust material, machined to an unchallenged accuracy and height. In combination with the APS4, the maximum tolerance is 0.1 mm. This will help you to produce a top quality product every time. Of course, the employed VCBL-B vacuum blocks come with an integrated touch valve. The weight of the workpiece is often enough to activate vacuum. It also enables you to leave the vacuum blocks on the console even if they are not in use. The VCBL-B vacuum blocks come in 4 different sizes, and the working height of 50 mm is maintained, so a mixed operation with the existing SCM blocks is possible. The suction area of each Schmalz vacuum block is made up by a gray suction plate. After a collision, the suction plate can simply be replaced, so you don't have to invest in a whole new vacuum block. Within minutes, you are ready to go back to work. And even if you damage the vacuum block, the adapter plate APS4 is very unlikely to be damaged, so your replacement cost is reduced to an inexpensive VCBL-B compared to a rotatable SCM block. The APS4 VCBL-B combination and other Schmalz vacuum clamping solutions are the perfect substitution for your SCM Morbidelli blocks. They are very robust, have the highest holding forces, and are very attractively priced. Various geometries and their flexible setup help to produce any workpiece to the highest quality standards. Call your Schmalz representative now or log on to schmalz.com for more information.